Foshan RONSE Lighting Technology Company Limited, established in 2010, is a leading company of R&D, manufacturing, marketing, and service in commercial lighting products, located in Foshan City with convenient transportation access. Our products include LED track light, down light, hanging light, floodlight, magnetic track system, and so on. Products are with more than 40 patents and have passed the CE, RoHS, SAA, BIS approvals. RONSE Lighting owns self-build factory more than 30,000 meters squared and has one-stop QC and production system, including product design, cutting, punching, CNC process, die casting, polishing, painting, laser print, assembling, aging, and IES testing. With 200 staffs, we strictly conduct ISO 9001 during whole processing and quality control. Strong R&D capacity and complete production system make us more flexible and competitive. Products are popular in more than 63 countries around the world, also are widely used in global chain brand projects like Carrefour Supermarket, BMW 4S, Zara Clothing Store, Hotel, Jewel Store, etc. RONSE Lighting offer customized lighting services, OEM, ODM, empty housing service, designated stock products service for short delivery, professional and responsible after-sale service, flexible payment term service for long-term cooperation. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Besides, we have 500 square meter showroom and always attend lighting exhibitions in Guangzhou, Hong Kong, Frankfurt, all over the world for products display. Welcome to visit and start a good partnership with us.